Hello, welcome to the Nurseries in Virginia. Look out, a good decent sized planting hole for lovely peony rose. We're addicted to peony roses in Pergola Nurseries and they just only fantastic. This is Big Ben, and Big Ben has got enormous large flowers like that, big double pink flowers on fairly strong stems. Now Big Ben is just peeping over soil level now. We may get a couple of flowers on it this year. We won't expect miracles, but certainly from next year on we'll have plenty of colour, flower colour with peony Big Ben. And peony roses, when they're in your garden, we say for the next at least 300 years. So we've already mixed in some swell compost, a couple of handfuls of super dry planting fertiliser going in there, and then a little bit of swell compost and soil mixed there, ready to go back in around as well. So no excuses. This time have a look in the web shop. We've lots and lots of peony roses in there, well worth finding a spot for. So out he comes out of his pot, settled in roughly the same depth as the surrounding soil, and we just put a little bit of swell compost and soil back in around him again. So something decent back in around this lovely peony Big Ben. A little bit of that swell compost back. No excuse, that super thrive is at the bottom as well. So he will thrive and do very well for us. I'm always worried about walking on peonies when they're young like this, but they are fantastic colour and stunning when they flower. So just a little light firming in. That's peony rose, Big Ben, settled in there for at least the next 300 years. We'll just put that there beside him so we don't tread on them over the next while. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.